Welcome back. Today is week 11 weigh-in update on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle. I hope you're doing wonderful. Today it is week 11 weigh-in update. I can't believe it's been 11 weeks. It's really flew by. So let's just jump into it, okay? We're gonna hit the ground running. How did I do this week? And I lost 2 pounds. I can't believe it. 2 pounds, guys. 2 pounds. So excited. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you do know that I've been riding the struggle bus. It's been a really hard transition for me from going from keto for about a year to just transitioning into Weight Watchers. So definitely transitioning from keto to Weight Watchers has really thrown my body through some loops, and it's really been a trial and error method. But I've been sticking with it, and I've been really trying to just figure things out. So if you guys recall from last week, I did say that I had spoke to some clinicians at work, and I spoke to my general doctor, and you know, they kind of gave me some pointers and told me hey Danielle, you know, sometimes your body takes some time to adjust. So I did say that, you know what, this week I'm going to try to manage my carbs a little bit better. I was, you know, looking at, because I do double track. I was doing my FitnessPal just for the caloric intake, and then I still do watch my points. So, and I was noticing when I was going to my macros that my carbs were 160, 170 grams a day, and my protein was 60, 70 something. It was really low. So I was like, well, that's a problem. And like I said before, I've been on a weight loss journey basically my whole life, but I know how each macro treats my body because I have been doing this for some time, and I have lost a great deal of weight just watching my macros and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what, this week I'm going to watch my carbs, and that's what I did. So I really think that it really made a huge difference. I stayed, so my limit for myself I set a day was between 40 and 50 grams, which is no way low carb. I don't know what Atkins asks you to be, but I know when I was on keto, it was 20 net carbs or less a day. So I've stayed lower. Some days I was 20, 30, some days I was at 50. My protein has been, you know, no higher than 170, and my fats have been really low. But I've eaten my points. I've been blue dots all week. I'm back into heavy weightlifting. Well, not heavy, but I'm back into weightlifting again. I'm doing leg day twice a week. I'm doing back one day, bis and tris and abs one day, and then shoulders one day, and I'm doing cardio 5 days, and I love it. I love that time for myself. I feel so good. So today I was like, I'm gonna get dressed and film my update, and I was putting on my jeans, and I was like, you know what, this is the first time that I've worn jeans in over a month. So I need to stop doing that, because if I would have probably wore them when I was higher, they probably would have been a little tight on me. So I was like, you know what, I gotta make sure I wear some jeans on a daily. But so I definitely think that I found my niche. I found my routine that is going to help me be successful on Weight Watchers. Some people are probably like, then why don't you just do low carb? Because I like the freedom that Weight Watchers gives me. I like the camaraderie that it gives me. I like the fact that I have weekly bonus points. I just like the whole idea of Weight Watchers as well. So next week is going to be 3 months. I did not take my measurements this week. I'll take them next week, and that'll kind of give us an overall what my thoughts are on Weight Watchers. You know, the whole 3 months caboodle, you know, to see if this is continuing. But what else did I do? Oh, also this week, you guys know that I really enjoy TEAMI. I feel like it's really helped me battle the bloat, and you know, the colon tea really helps keep that regular. I mean, I'm not on any type of medication now for you know, my GI issues, so I really think it's been a godsend to me. but I did order a new tea from them, and I've been really enjoying it. It is the TEAMI Pro Fit. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it's really, really good. What I really liked about it is, you guys know I am a healthcare provider, I'm a respiratory therapist, so I am always around sick people. So it's always the people with upper respiratory, you know, boogery people, so coughing and all that stuff. And I have 2 school-age kids who are always around kids who are carrying germs. So this also, my biggest thing is what I wanted for it was it supports your immunity. Flu season in Chicago is basically trending down. We have a few cases here or there, but right now with like allergies, it's like spring cold season because our weather is never consistent, and it's like killer time for asthmatics, and as soon as you get that cold, it's just really bad. So that was one of the main reasons I got it, because like I said, I'm always around sick people, and I really liked it because I've been alternating between Skinny and the Pro-Fit tea this week, and it has green tea in it, so it kickstarts your metabolism, and it helps fight cravings, and it improves circulation. For all things I think are really great, because I am spinning for 30-35 minutes 5 days a week, and I am doing the weightlifting, so that really helps. I have been really enjoying my yoga as well. I can't believe how much of a workout yoga actually is. I thought it was, like I said, more of a zen thing. I knew like in hot yoga you would sweat, but I really enjoy it. So green tea, peppermint leaves, goji berries, red dates, nettle leaves, roselle, linseed, and gandromia. And it does have plant-based caffeine. I've actually given this out at work because people were like super intrigued by it, and they're like, Danielle, this stuff is bomb. If you guys are interested, I also, like I said, I have the colon, and then I have the Skinny. These are all 0 points. If you guys are interested in trying out any of the TEAMI tea products, this weekend they're having a sale, I guess, for St. Patty's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day, my friends. And if you use the code DDiaries20, you will get 20% off. So I'll put it right here. But yeah, so I've been really enjoying those. Another thing that I've been really, really loving for my coffee is doing just iced coffee with the Premier Protein in there. That has been like my ride or die. And I've really laid off the yogurts and stuff like that, and I've been really trying to find alternative ways to getting my protein in. And I have a grocery haul coming this week to kind of give you guys some ideas, because I know it's hard to be like, well, what's low carb? What's not high fat? What's, you know, because basically Weight Watchers is more of a low fat diet. So how am I going to get this and fill me up and, you know, still get the protein in? If you guys are working out, you guys have to feed your muscles, or the shredding you're doing to them to try to build them it's going to deplete it, and you're not going to see any results. So you gotta feed them. That's my advice. Trying to grow the booty, you gotta feed the booty. So but yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. I feel really good. I just I'm really happy that I found it, because I really want to stick with Weight Watchers. Like I said, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy the program. I like the fact that I have these vast variety of foods out there. So, and I wasn't happy on keto, and I know I wouldn't be happy on Atkins. So yeah, I'm definitely digging it. I'm really happy this week. So I am gonna do like what I eat in the day on Weight Watchers with like a low carb option. I know a lot of people were asking me about that, and I got one in the works. So expect that within the next couple weeks. Let me know, how did you guys do? I want to hear all the gory details. Did you guys have slips? Did you guys do great? Are you guys kicking up the exercise? Are you guys just incorporating new exercises? What's the apps? Tell me what's going on. I'm here for you. You know, I know you guys, I tell you every week, but you guys are my biggest motivation. There's days when I do not want to get off the couch and I want to get a bag of chips and just gorge. But I was like, you know what? We're in this together. My girls are depending on me, and I'm depending on them, and you guys keep me going and you keep me honest. So I thank you for the support, and you guys are the best people I've ever met. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to wrap this video up short and sweet this week. But I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and happy St. Patty's Day. And you know what? If you guys use your weeklies, that's okay. If you guys, you know, overdo it on one day, start on over. Don't let a slip up ruin you. You know, I had seen a quote the other day and I thought it was awesome and I wanted to mention it to you guys. It's from Jillian Michaels, and she said, if you have a flat tire, you're not going to go around and slash the other 3. Brilliant. Totally agree with that. You know, just because you mess up one day, don't ruin the whole week. Alright guys, let me know below how you are doing. I believe in you. You guys got this. You are awesome. Alright guys, I'll see you later.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk